So I will say the letter, you find the things.
Okay.
So first letter is C.
See. Colors.
Next. So next letter is P.
Piano.
ಮತ್ತೆ.
P for piano.
So next letter is D.
D for drawing.
Okay, next letter is P.
P is over.
T.
T. For Truth or Dare, I will give you one challenge. In comments, you should say next video should come in Truth or Dare, yes or no.
Next letter is B.
B for books.
So next letter is it's F.
F for flowers.
And L.
L for lipstick or lip balm.
So next letter will be G.
G for goodbye. Thank you. Like and subscribe.